Well, now I'm going inside the antique mall, and there is a reed sheet metal vise in there. At least it was in there the other day. And if it's not sold, I intend to buy it because I got the bandsaw so much cheaper than what I had planned on. No, not this little Wilton. And there she be. It's a 124.5. With sheet metal jaws, smooth. No damage, no welding. And it's $70. Should I buy it? I have examined it carefully and do not see any cracks or repairs. So it has 4-inch jaws, and I believe I'm going to buy it even at the full price. It may be foolish, and I don't need a vise at all. I do like this.
How you doing?
Howdy.
It's not. We hold that in.
Here you go.
Yep. You want me to grab it? No, we're good. Thank you.
So it's only a one-man job.
Oh yeah.
You gonna pay him?
$70, please. Right.
There's 80. Probably in the trailer. There's no room in the car. We just came from your bullock auction out there in the country, and so I got a carload.
Oh, all right.
And as long as I'm wasting money, and I am wasting, over there that silver car. And my wife made a spite purchase.
There you are, my friend.
Well, I'm back home and I have unloaded the reed vise, and by the way, it weighs 60 pounds. And this will be covered in another video with a restoration. Looks to be in pretty good shape. That's the first reed vise that I've ever owned, and it is a sheet metal vise. Sorry about the bad footage in the antique mall, but that's just the way it is when you got a handheld camera. But notice the height here and the smooth jaws. These were designed for working with sheet metal. I suspect that it's about 80 or 90 years old. If you know, let me know the date on it. And again, there'll be a restoration video on that. And I was pretty excited because I had just been at an online auction. Actually, not at it. I was picking up the items that I bought on an online auction. And I bought that bandsaw, which I'll show you again here real quickly. And there'll be many other videos on that, so I won't really talk about that in this video. But I realize I am a hoarder now, And I just am helpless when I see something like that. So, and I paid way too much. That was what, $70. And there's the Craftsman metal cutting bandsaw. There are some issues with it. I'll talk a lot about that in other videos. And I did pick up some other things at that online auction. There'll be a separate video on that on the other side of my tractor here. And I'm in the middle of a repair job on that and, and the deck. It's just too many things for an old man to do, but I'm having fun doing it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Here's a beautiful reed vise, sheet metal jaws. Smooth. And it's real high here. I'm halfway tempted to buy it.